Hello! Welcome to Teach Me Maths. My name is Jonathan Hicks and we're doing percentage increases and decreases. Now, you need to know what percentages are first, so if you haven't seen the percentage video, go and watch that. You also need to know how to find fractions of amounts and generally be familiar with fractions. So assuming you're happy with that, the concept here is fairly straightforward. So imagine you've gone to a shop, you want to buy some clothes, and there's a sale on. And they're offering 20% off everything. Woohoo! And there's a jumper that you're interested in buying, and this jumper costs £30, let's say. And you want to know how much will it cost, how much will you actually have to pay, given that it's 20% off. So whenever you're doing percentage increases and decreases, and in this situation it's a percentage decrease, yep, you need to work out what 20% of £30 is, and then you're going to take that off. It's going to be, the price will be decreased by 20%. So the way you want to do it is, first of all, find out what 20% of £30 actually is. So this is what we covered in the percentages video. So 25%, sorry, not 25, 20% of £30, we're going to find out first. And of means times, remember, in maths. So 20% you always convert to a fraction out of 100. So it's going to be the same as 20 out of 100 times by 30. Now, we can do quite a bit of cancelling here. So the 30, the 0 here, which is on the top, remember, whole numbers multiply on the top to fractions. So the 0 that's here will cancel with that 0 on the bottom. This 0 that's on the top will cancel with that 0 on the bottom. So actually it becomes 2 times 3 on the top divided by 1 on the bottom. Well, the divided by 1 doesn't do anything, and 2 times 3 is 6. So 20% of £30 is £6. Now, a lot of people at this point, when they're doing math tests, stop at this point. You must not do that. Whenever you're working out percentage increases or decreases, you've got to then take that amount and either add it on to the original price or subtract it off. So in this case, the jumper is being reduced by 20%. It's going to be cheaper. So 20% of the £30 is £6. You have to subtract the £6 off the £30. Obviously, in this case, 30 minus 6 is going to give you £24. So the sale price of the jumper is £24. What a bargain! All right, let's do one more example then with a percentage increase, but essentially the concepts are exactly the same. So you find the percentage of the amount and you either add it on for an increase or you subtract it off for a decrease. Now, one common situation you might find yourself in with percentage increases is when you're at a restaurant, because usually you would give a 10% tip in a restaurant. So let's imagine that the total bill comes to £46 for your meal with your friends, and you're trying to work out what the tip will be that you need to add on afterwards. So it's 10% tip, that's the standard. So we need to find what 10% of £46 is and then add it on because we're increasing the price here. So it's 10% of £46, so that's going to be 10 hundredths. Yeah, remember, any percentage is always a fraction over 100 times for of and then the 46. Now, again, I would probably cancel this down immediately. Yeah, you've got zeros on the top and bottom, so that will cancel with that. So 10 over 100 is the same as 1 over 10, it's a tenth, which again makes sense if you think about it. 10% is a tenth of 100%. So we want a tenth of 46, and finding a tenth of something is very easy. You just divide by 10. Dividing by 10, you move the decimal point one place to the left. If it's £46, the decimal point will be at the end at the moment. So imagine that move one place to the left. It's going to be 4.6, or in terms of money, it's going to be £4.60. You just have to remember, don't stop here. 10% of £46 is £4.60, but it's a tip. We need to add it on to the bill. So 46 plus £4.60. It's probably helpful to stick the 0.00 there on for the 46. Add it up, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 6 is 6, decimal point goes under the one above, 6 plus 4 is 10, carry the 1, and 4 plus 1 gives you 5. So the final amount that you need to pay is £50 and 60p. Now you probably do the addition there in your head, but the point is, for any kind of percentage increase or decrease, find the percentage of the amount, in this case £4.60, and then for an increase you add it on, for a decrease you subtract it off. And that's it. My name is Jonathan Hicks and you're watching Teach Me Maths.